In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work on Squarespace without going live. If you're someone who's looking to build or tweak your Squarespace website without making those changes visible to the public, you've come to the right place. Over the next few minutes, I'll guide you through the process, ensuring that you can work on your site in privacy until you're ready for the grand reveal. First things first, navigate to the Squarespace website. This is where all the magic begins. Once you're there, you're going to want to get into your account. Look for the login button to get started. Squarespace offers a streamlined login process, including the option to continue with Google. This can be a real time saver, especially if you're already logged into your Google account. Simply click on Continue with Google, and then select your Google account from the list provided. This will swiftly log you into Squarespace, getting you one step closer to accessing your site. Now that you're logged in, it's time to head over to your specific Squarespace site. You can find all the sites you manage or have access to once you're in your Squarespace dashboard. Look for your website's thumbnail or name and click on it to proceed. With your site in front of you, your next move is to dive into the settings. Find and select the Settings option, typically visualized with a gear icon. This section is where you can adjust everything from basic information to advanced settings that control your site's functionality and appearance. In the settings menu, you're looking for the site availability option. This is a crucial setting that determines who can see your site. By accessing site availability, you're given the power to control the visibility of your entire site. For the purpose of working privately, you'll want to set your site to private. This ensures that no one outside of your chosen viewers or collaborators can see the changes you're making until you decide otherwise. To make your site private, simply click on the Private option. It's straightforward and ensures that your site isn't visible to the public. Remember, even though your site is set to private, you can still share it with specific individuals by setting up a password. This can be useful if you're collaborating with others or need feedback without exposing your work to the entire world. Finally, don't forget the most important step, saving your changes. Look for the Save button, usually located at the top or bottom of the page, and click on it to secure your privacy settings. This simple click ensures all your hard work stays under wraps until you're ready to go live. Remember, Squarespace makes it easy to switch your site back to public access when you're ready to share your work with the world. Just revisit the site availability settings and adjust accordingly. That concludes our walkthrough on how to work on your Squarespace site without going live. This feature is invaluable for anyone who prefers to perfect their site behind the scenes or needs to make significant updates without public interruption. I hope this video helps you feel more comfortable and confident as you build and refine your Squarespace site. Thank you for watching and happy designing.